when you're starting the machine for the first time, you need to put the battery into the remote controller. Once you put the battery into the remote controller, it'll display wait. Also, you need to turn the power on to the main system, and on the main black control box you've got a little black protection cap from the pairing button. You need to remove that cap and then go to your remote controller and you need to press this button for about 6 seconds. After 6 seconds, the display will show INITRF, and at that point you need to go to your black control box and press the button for about 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, go back to your control unit and press OK. That will display off, and that is the end of the pairing process. To turn the unit on, you need to press and hold for 2 seconds this button. The system is now on. Now the display will show you the clock and the humidity or temperature. You cannot change the clock, but you can change the display of either the humidity or temperature. In order to do that, you just press this button once. That's your temperature, that's your humidity. Whatever you're gonna leave it, that's what it's gonna display. To put the fan in the cellar in silent mode, you press and hold for 2 seconds this button. You've got this little hand displayed, and the evaporator fan switches to low speed for 10 minutes. If you want to exit the silent mode, just press the same button again. If the lighting control is connected to the same system, to turn the lights on or off, just press this button for 5 seconds. To lock the keypad, you need to press this button and this button. So pressing this button until you see flashing key, and then this. Now the key is now solid and you're no longer able to do anything. To unlock the keypad, you repeat the same sequence. If you want to pause the remote screen, you press and hold this button for 2 seconds. It will display standby and it will disappear after a few seconds. The appliance continues to operate. If you want to go out of standby screen, you press the same button for 2 seconds. If you want to defrost your evaporator, to enable the defrost mode, just hold this button.